Bullard manufactures 3 different types of PAPRs. What PAPR stands for is Powered Air Purifying Respirator. That's a product that'll take the air from the existing ambient air in the manufacturing suite or the clean room environment. It'll go through a filter and up into a head top. Bullard manufactures the EVA HL, which stands for Hazardous Locations, and the Salus PAPR. They are all applicable for these solid dose and clean room environments depending on the specific application. We also have a few niche applications more in pilot plants and intermediates. That's where they manufacture the chemicals. Sometimes they'll be tethered to what's called a supplied air line, where the breathing air hose goes straight to a source. The air then travels up into the head top, but the overwhelming majority of the applications are well served by our PAPR line. So what the protection generally is offered by the filtering element on the Powered Air Purifying Respirator. For the spore disinfectants, the spore cleanse, the hydrogen peroxide, all those elements that are common disinfectants in the sterile environment, we offer what's called the PAPR FC4 combination filter. That'll take out organic vapors, acid gas, and particulates, and we have specifically tested it against spore cleanse and some other elements. We have our own independent third-party testing for those as well. Also, just the HEPA element will offer protection against some of the most common HPAPIs. That's highly potent active pharmaceutical ingredient, such as cytotoxins, steroids, and all those types of hazards. So all the things can be filtered out in this pharmaceutical environment. This is an extremely regulated and rigorous procedure for these devices to be utilized in the pharmaceutical environment. Remember, we're protecting people's lives and well-being. The first stage is an organization called NIOSH, which stands for the National Institute of Occupational Safety and Health. All respirator systems, the entire system, which in this case would be a blower, battery, filter, breathing tube, and head top, goes to NIOSH and is certified as an acceptable unit. Once you have that NIOSH approval, you can then sell that commercially on the market. What Bullard does is we go a step further. You'll hear the term assigned protection factor, meaning what level of protection the device provides. The highest assigned protection factor available is 1,000. What we'll do is get independent third-party testing from an organization called RD Ecom to validate that assigned protection of 1,000. And again, that's independent. That's not testing Bullard does internally. So that's really a unique feature that Bullard adds, and it can really bring a lot of security and comfort to the customers that utilize our products. Key thing is there's 3 main points that we really like to tout. Protection, obviously that's the most important. That's why people are utilizing these devices to get their jobs done and get home to their families. But other than protection, comfort and value. Our products are custom fitted in a variety of ways to be very comfortable for the operator to wear, very easy to don and doff, and we provide great value. We'll often look at a specific situation, a specific application, and customize a program that's going to make sense not only for operator comfort and safety, but also for the end user's pocketbook as well.